I think I got the cutest brown, chocolatey brown boots for 2026, and I'm so hype. Like, I'm so happy, y'all. So it's in this big old box. We about to open her up, and I'm hype. They're from My Teresa, and they're beautiful, absolutely gorgeous, stunning, everything about it. This comes in the box. Let me show you. So when you open it up from My Teresa, it looks like this. All big. It's big, y'all. Like, I'm struggling. And then I'm gonna take it out. Dang. Okay. This is the big old yellow box. Y'all, I don't know about y'all, but clothes just make me happy. Like, I'd be like, oh my gosh, my mouth is watering. I'm about to eat good. That's how a good outfit makes me feel. A good piece makes me feel, okay? This is how it comes wrapped up. So cute, so cute, so cute, so cute. I feel like I should be showing y'all. Okay. I took off the little ribbon that was right here. Took off the little ribbon. I hope this is good. If not, it's one of those things where it's like, oh well. This is chaotic, but you get the point. These are the boots. Dries Van Noten. My Teresa is having a sale right now, so I was like, okay. I know if y'all seen the story about me complaining about the Acne Studio boots and they didn't work out for me because they weren't my size. Didn't know in Italian sizes that, or European sizes, that I need a whole half a size up, size and a half up. I didn't know that. I know that now, but I didn't know that then. So I was like, dang, that sucks. I'm sad about it. But My Teresa's having a sale. They got some boots. They had them in my size. And I was like, yeah. Yeah, this is a boot. This is a boot. This is a boot, y'all. Oh my gosh, this is a boot. I ain't gonna lie, I'm real happy. That's all I really had to tell y'all. I got some new boots. I love my new boots. They're super cute. This is my push gift for pushing through 2025. I got it in 2026, but that's okay. This is my push gift, and I'm happy. Bye.